What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on GALA. Hope you're all having a great weekend so far. GALA hasn't been having that great of a weekend. We suffered quite a bit when we had that crash on Friday, which is actually, I have thought about this quite a bit, but I'm not sure why GALA suffered this much. To my knowledge, I could be wrong about this, but I don't believe it was mentioned in those documents by the SEC in their lawsuits that GALA was a security. I actually want to do some research on that, or I want to check that out, because yeah, GALA was one of the cryptos that actually fell down the most, and you can also see that on chart. We actually crashed down very hard on Saturday morning. And we have also not recovered that much. So it's not looking that great for GALA right now. We'll talk about what's going on and what the possibilities are, because I do think we can expect some bullish momentum. We have managed to get above 2 cents and to actually stay on top of that for now at least. So we'll still have to see what happens. We have a lot of resistance here at around 2.2 cents at that 382 fib. But yeah, we fell down pretty hard, so just wanted to do a full analysis and update on that. I know quite a lot of you hold GALA. I actually hold some GALA as well. Not that much, but a little bit. So yeah, that's what we'll do. Now, before we dive into that though, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now onto GALA. So I was thinking about this morning why we actually fell down this hard, because if you take a look at the 15-minute time frame, a crash like this, it's most altcoins actually did not have a crash like that. Most altcoins crashed, all right, don't get me wrong, but if you take a look at who has fallen the most, it's GALA has fallen 30%, and then you have Filecoin, Mana, Flow, Cardano, Axie Infinity, Dash, Matic, Chili, Cent, and these three, and those were all, most of those were named as securities in one of those lawsuits, and I believe GALA was not. I could be wrong about that. Maybe I am, because Algorand was named as well, Solana as well. But yeah, so we fell down a lot. I think it's quite a bit also due to that we were still very, very bullish compared to other cryptos. Or well, not compared to all other cryptos, but obviously we have rallied a lot at the beginning of the year, which there was news to actually back that up, but perhaps we rallied a bit too much. So what you see then usually is that the buying power or the buyer pressure kind of diminishes. So when you don't have a lot of buying power and you get a lot of selling pressure at a time when the volume is already pretty low, which was the Saturday morning, then you get crashes like this. I think that's the most likely scenario. Now the big question is can we recover? I do think so. If you take a look at the levels where we are at right now, you can see that the next real resistance level is only around like 2.3, 2.4 cents. If you don't count the Fibonacci levels, which obviously do count. But I actually do expect some bullish momentum for today. So for GALA, what I expect is that we'll at least get up to this level around the 382 fib, around 2.2 cents, right? So that's going to be the most important level, this level right here, because that level will determine whether we can actually get more bullish momentum or not. So what will happen is that we'll go up to that level, we'll find resistance there. If from that resistance we can make a higher low, so for example, if we can stay on top of 2.1 cents, then I think we can actually break above that and get towards the levels around 2.4 and perhaps 2.45. If, however, we just get to that level at around 2.2 cents and we drop back down towards that 2 cents level, then that means that there's just not enough bullish momentum, and then we'll probably just stabilize here. And I know it sounds boring, but wait for some market direction. Wait until Bitcoin gets some sort of a significant move. I think that's I'm not sure. To me, both of these scenarios are 50-50. It just depends a lot on what we do at around 2.2 cents. So if you want to talk with me about that, you can join the Telegram group, the free one. And then you can always ask me about that just for some live updates, because it's going to be interesting. But for now, those are the two scenarios which I would think are the most likely. And I think it's unresponsible if I would say one is more likely than the other. That's my take on GALA for now. So if you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.